Let's solve for the value of x. First, we are going to introduce logarithm to both sides of this equation. So we are going to write that log 4 to the power of x is equal to log 24. Welcome to my channel. All right, now when you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. Okay, so we can write this as x multiplied by log 4 is equal to log 24. Okay, now since we are looking for the value of x, we are going to divide both sides of this equation by log 4 divided by log 4. Now log 4 is going to cancel log 4, so we have that x is equal to log 24 divided by log 4. Okay, all right, now we continue. Recall that we can write log 24 as what? We can write it as log 4 multiplied by 6, okay, divided by log 4. Now when you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, therefore we can now rewrite the whole of this as what? X is equal to log 4 plus log 6 divided by log 4. Okay, all right, so we continue. Now we have x is equal to log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 6 divided by log 4. Now x is equal to this, we divide this and we have 1 plus log 6 divided by log 4. We can also express log 6 as what? So we have that x is equal to 1 plus log, this can be expressed as 2 multiplied by 3 divided by log 4 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 2. I would like you to watch to the end and see how we substituted what we got into the main equation to prove that it is right. Okay, all right, that means that x is equal to 1 plus, now we can express this as log 2 plus log 3 divided by, this will come down to become 2 log 2. Okay, now we can write that x is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 3 divided by 2 log 2. Okay, so we have that x is equal to 1 plus, this we cancel this and we have half remaining, plus log 3 divided by 2 log 2. All right, okay, so we can write x to be equal to 1 plus half will give us 1.5, right? Or let's solve it this way. 1 over 1 is same thing as 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus what? This is same thing as 1 over 2 log 3 divided by log 2. So we have that x is equal to 2 plus 1 will give us 3 divided by 2 plus 1 over 2. Now we are going to introduce this particular logarithm law that states that log a divided by log b, this is a, okay, is equal to log a base b. All right, that means that we can rewrite this as log 3 base 2. Now we have 2 here, we have 2 here, they are sharing the same base, right? The same denominator, so we can distribute it as x is equal to 3 over 3 plus 3 plus log 3 base 2. Everything now is going to share the same base or the same denominator, sorry. So sorry, I don't even know you were not seeing it. So this is what I meant. We have 2 here and we have 2 here, so they can actually share the same denominator. So sorry, I did not even know my video cut. So this is the final value of our x. Since they are sharing the same denominator, okay, so we can write this as 3 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 2. All right, since they are sharing the same denominator. Okay, now let us prove that what we solved is right. So this is the question and this is the value of x that we got. Okay, all right, now let us prove that it is right. So we are going to write this as what? 4 to the power of 3 plus log 3 base 2 everything divided by 2, right? Now we can express 4 as 2 to the power of 2. All right, so 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3 plus log 3 base 2 everything divided by 2. Okay, so this is equal to 24. Excuse me, and this is equal to 24. All right, now we can write that 2, now when you have more than one power, okay, on a base, you can multiply the 2 powers together. All right, so that means what we have here is 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 2, okay, is equal to 24. Now this will cancel this, okay, so we now have 2 to the power of 3 plus log 3 base 2 is equal to 24. Now let's continue. Recall that when you have a to the power of m plus n, that this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. That is the law of indices or exponents. So that means we can express this side of the equation as 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 is equal to 24. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8. We have 8 multiplied by. Now when you have a to the power of log base a of b, all right, this can be written as, or this is equal to b. That is, everything here should be equal to b once they have the same base here and here. Therefore we can now rewrite this as what? This is the same thing. Since we have the same base here and here, that means the whole of this is 3, right? So multiply by 3 is equal to 24. Now 8 times 3 is equal to 24 and 24 is equal to 24. That means we are correct. Please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel if this is the first time you are tuning in, and always check on us. We upload twice daily. Always check on us at your convenience to watch our videos. Thank you.